Hello everyone, I am Nitesh and welcome to the podcast on the topic deforestation and its consequences, where we explore critical environmental issues affecting our world today.
And I am Mayank. Today we are diving into a topic that impacts us all, deforestation and its consequences. As a class 12th students, it's important for us to understand the environmental challenges our planet faces and how we can contribute to positive change.
Now let's get started with what is deforestation. So deforestation is the large scale removal of forest, often resulting in damage to the quality of the land. Forests are crucial to life on earth, providing clean air, habitat for wildlife and playing a significant role in combating climate change.
Now, what are the causes of deforestation? Number 1. Agriculture. Expanding agricultural land is the leading causes of deforestation. Forests are cleared to create more farmland for crops and livestock. Number 2. Logging means trees are cut down for timber and paper products. Illegal logging also contributes significantly to deforestation. Number 3. Urban development. As the cities expand, forests are often cleared to make way for new buildings, roads and infrastructure. Number 4. Mining. Extracting minerals and resources from the earth often involves clearing large areas of forest.
Now some facts about deforestation. Number 1. Every year about 18 million acres of forest are lost, which is roughly the size of Panama. Number 2. The Amazon, known as the lungs of the earth, has seen about 17% of its forest cover lost in the last 50 years. Number 3. Forests store carbon dioxide, which help regulate Earth's climate. Deforestation accounts for about 15% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Number 4. About 80% of the world terrestrial animal and plants live in forest, and deforestation threatens their survival. Number 5. Deforestation can provide short-term economic benefits through timber sales and land for agriculture. The long-term environmental cost can outweigh these benefits. Number 6. Deforestation leads to significant biodiversity loss. Forests are home to 80% of terrestrial animals and plants, and their destruction threatens many species with extinction. Number 7. Trees help to anchor the soil. Without them, the soil can become loose and erode, leading to decreased fertility and increased sediment in waterways. Number 8. Forests play a critical role in maintaining the water cycle. Deforestation can disrupt rainfall patterns and leads to reduced water availability.
Now, what are the consequences of deforestation? Number 1. Climate change. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, from the atmosphere. When a forest are destroyed, the carbon stored in the trees is released back into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. Number 2. Loss of biodiversity. Deforestation destroys habitats, putting many species at a risk of extinction. Number 3. Soil erosion. Trees and vegetation hold soil in place. Without them, the soil can erode, leading to landslides and loss of fertile land. Number 4. Impact on indigenous people. Many indigenous communities rely on forest for their livelihood and culture practices. Deforestation can displace their communities and disrupt their way of life. Number 5. Impact on indigenous communities. Many indigenous peoples depend on forest for their livelihoods, culture and sustenance. Deforestation can displace these communities, disrupt their way of life and lead to social conflicts. Number 6. Economic consequences. While deforestation can provide short-term economic benefits through logging and land conversion for agriculture, it can lead to long-term economic losses. The degradation of ecosystem services such as pollination, water purification and climate regulations can have a far-reaching economic impacts.
Now, what are the solutions to deforestation? Number 1. Reforestation and afforestation. Planting trees to restore lost trees or create new ones can help combat deforestation. Number 2, sustainable agriculture. Promoting farming practices that do not require clearing forests can help reduce deforestation. Number 3, protected areas means establishing and enforcing protected areas can prevent deforestation in critical region. Number 4, legal measure means by implementing and enforcing laws against illegal logging can reduce deforestation. Number 5, strong laws and regulation against illegal logging along with effective enforcement can reduce deforestation rates. Number 6, collaboration between countries can enhance the effectiveness of conservation efforts, especially in regions where deforestation is a transboundary issue.